Okay, at this point, these harnesses for the driver's side, it's made for a European car. So for some reason, they just can't make it for the Americans. So this fifth wire, it's a fifth wire in succession, but it's in the sixth hole. There's a space. Some people cut it and solder into these black wires. What we're going to do is push into the hole to release the wire. We're going to repeat the process on the other side. It just releases the locks. Okay, that's gone. We want to do it on our black wire. Okay, that one pushed out. And we'll do it on our upper. It's out. Okay, now we're going to install this where our orange wire was. Push it in until it clicks. Same here.